Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about beds. At the end of September, I visited 3 bed factory. What you see here is the first one. This factory is quite large, with a total of 4 floors. It's one of the largest specialized bed factory in the local area. The showroom is showcasing several series of beds. Please scan this QR code to download the factory catalog for free. Now, let's take a tour of this factory. This second factory is a small one, but they have a lot of orders. As you can see, this showroom is not designed for retail customers. The decoration is quite simple, but the quality is not bad at all, and the prices are fair. The third factory I visit on that day is not only specialized in producing beds. You can see that they also produce sofas. The showroom here is similar to the first factory, and it is also well decorated with lighting and bedding, because they also service retail customers. None of these three factories specialize in online orders. Please remember these tips. So, there are the three factories I visit on that day. If retail customer come here to buy pens, the price will be higher, about 1/3 higher than the factory price. You might wonder why the prices at the second factory are obviously lower. That's because the expenses of a small factory are much lower. The expenses of a large factory will inevitably be passed on to the customer. You know how it is. From my videos, you can see that the product quality of all three factories is good. At least I don't see any significant difference. The advantage of fancy showroom is that they make people feel that the products are worth a higher price. Some people are willing to pay for a good shopping environment. That's it for today's video. Once again, please scan this QR code to download the catalog, which features over 100 different designs. Also, I will be updating with visits to different furniture factories in the coming months. See you next time.